Hi, I'm Steven, one of the designers of the Glove80 keyboard. My friend and design partner Chris is based in Tokyo, so he can't join us today. A few years ago, I was looking for an ergonomic keyboard. I tried many, but none of them fit me. So we decided to build our own perfect keyboard. 5 years later, we succeeded.
The wireless Glove80 keyboard is designed to be super comfortable for a wide range of hand sizes and hand shapes, allowing you to type faster, type longer, and keep your hands and wrists in good health. The Glove80 follows how we naturally move. When we curl our fingers, each fingertip draws a smooth curve. Glove80 arranges the finger keys in curved columns to match, so every key is easy to press. Our thumbs are our strongest digits. Glove80 has 6 thumb keys for each thumb that can be pressed without moving the palm. With Glove80, you can comfortably rest your hands on the palm rests, even while typing, and let your arms and shoulders relax. Glove80 is wireless, compact and easy to carry. For the first time, it is practical to bring the amazing comfort of a contoured keyboard on the road. Glove80 is easily reconfigurable to adapt to our differences. The 2 halves can be easily repositioned to match your shoulder width. Extendable legs allow Glove80 to be tilted to your most comfortable wrist angle. The labeled keycaps can be fully rearranged to match the layout that you prefer, whether it be QWERTY, Colmac, or something unique. Glove80 has a wireless Bluetooth connection to keep your desk clutter-free. So how did we create the perfect ergonomics? We did more than 500 different ergonomics experiments to find the perfect position and angle for each key. We built modular test rigs that let us quickly swap out parts of the keyboard to test many variations, to test our designs with real-life typing.
We think that Glove80 is pretty special, and we will make the life better and more comfortable for anyone who types a lot. We need your help to bring Glove80 to life. Your hands will thank you if you get one for home and the office or wherever else you type.